Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to active Hey Google voice assistant on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So simply you just open your Google, log in your account, showing it to settings. As you can see, showing it to Google Assistant, and you get voice match option. Press on to set up, scroll down, press on I agree, and you just say, okay Google, help me write a thank you note. First step done, and the second step, now say, okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Now say, hey Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Now say, hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. And finally, done. Okay, now successfully turn on this on, and now successfully set up this option.